Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one I'm going to be reading Christmas by Celebrations in My World. What is Christmas? Christmas is a Christian holiday. Christians believe that Jesus Christ, the Son of God, Jesus Christ, lived almost 2,000 years ago in a city called Nazareth. People believed he could perform miracles. Jesus told people about God. People take Christmas trees home and decorate them for Christmas. Did you know people celebrate Christmas with family? Did you know people celebrate Christmas with family and friends? It is a time of peace, joy, and happiness. It is also a time of fun. Christians believe Jesus died for the sins of others, was buried, and then rose from the dead. Christmas is the celebration of Jesus' birth. Every year, people celebrate Christmas on December 25th. This family is celebrating Christmas together. Winter solstice. Long ago, Europeans celebrated winter solstice, or the shortest day of the year, around December 21st. They celebrated this day because it meant that the worst of winter was over. People could begin looking forward to longer days and more hours of sunlight. To celebrate winter solstice, people lit large logs, called Yule logs, to make bonfires. The end of December was the only time of year when many people had a supply of fresh meat. They feasted, sang, and danced. Did you know, during winter solstice, there was plenty for people to eat and drink? People lit bonfires to celebrate having more hours of sunlight. Saturnalia. Centuries before the birth of Jesus Christ, people celebrated Saturnalia. At the end of December, the holiday honored Saturn, the god of agriculture. Saturnalia was a time for fun and amusement. People feasted and gave each other presents. Years later, leaders of the Christian church wanted to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. They decided to celebrate his birth also near the end of December. It was close to the time of winter solstice and Saturnalia. They adopted some of the traditions of Saturnalia. Did you know people told the story of Jesus' birth because it is told in a holy book called the Bible? Pope Julius I chose December 25th for this celebration. That day was first called the Feast of Nativity. In time, this became Christmas. Saturn, the Roman god of agriculture, was concerned with sowing seeds. The birth. The story of Jesus' birth is very old. About 2,000 years ago, a woman named Mary lived in Judea in the Roman Empire. Mary's gonna have a baby. She and her husband Joseph walked to an inn in the house of Bethlehem. There was no room at the inn, so they stayed in the stable. Before Mary gave birth, an angel told her that her child would be the Son of God. Mary gave birth to Jesus in the stable. Shepherds and 3 wise men visited the newborn baby. Did you know? People have different traditions for celebrating the birth of Jesus. The 3 wise men brought gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Frankincense and myrrh are sweet-smelling oils. This painting shows Mary, Joseph, the 3 wise men, and baby Jesus. Decorating. People often decorate their homes and towns to celebrate Christmas. The tradition of decorating for Christmas began when Europeans decorated their homes and castles with holly, ivy, and mistletoe during Saturnalia. Today, people often string lights inside and outside their homes a few weeks before Christmas. Some people also place colorful Christmas displays on their lawns. In some cities, office buildings, banks, stores, and other businesses are also decorated with Christmas lights. Did you know? Some children hang stockings a few weeks before Christmas or on the night before Christmas Day. Small gifts, toys, or fruit are put into the stockings. At Christmas, many people hang wreaths on their doors, hang mistletoe in their doorways, buy poinsettia plants, and put up holly. Putting up decorations is one way to spread the Christmas spirit and share with others. This family is putting up Christmas decorations. Christmas trees. Christmas trees are popular Christmas decorations. Some people believe that immigrants from Germany were the first people to bring with them the tradition of putting real evergreen trees in their homes. They brought trees inside because they believed that trees would bring good luck to their families. Today, people decorate Christmas trees with ornaments and lights. A Christmas tree is a symbol of eternal life. Did you know a spruce, fir, or pine tree makes a good Christmas tree? These trees are evergreen trees. Evergreen trees stay green all year long. It is fun to decorate with the Christmas tree with friends and family. Singing songs. At Christmas, some people walk around their neighborhoods and stop outside homes to sing songs called carols. In the 1500s, people sang carols so that they could dance to the music. Today, people sing Christmas songs to spread holiday cheer and to tell others about the story of Jesus. Some popular Christmas carols include Silent Night, Deck the Halls, and O Come Ye All Ye Faithful. Children often sing carols during school Christmas concerts as part of a choir. Did you know musicians from all over the world play and sing Christmas songs during the Christmas season? Their families and friends attend the concerts to hear the choir song. Many people also sing Christmas songs with the choir in church. These people are singing Christmas carols. Christmas treats. During the Christmas season, some people make delicious Christmas treats to serve to guests or to bring to the homes of others. They make Christmas cake and cookies as well as pies and puddings. Cookies are sometimes shaped and decorated to look like Christmas trees, Christmas stockings, candy canes, stars, and angels. Candy canes are treats at Christmas. Did you know? Long ago, a popular Christmas treat was porridge-like food mixed with nuts, eggs, and honey. It was called frumenti. Some people make little gingerbread houses and decorate them with frosting. People may also make chocolate Yule logs. A Yule log is a cake that is shaped like the Yule log that was burned long ago at the winter solstice celebrations. Children have fun making special Christmas treats. Thinking of others. One reason people make Christmas treats is to spread Christmas cheer. As Christmas Day approaches, people wish each other happy holidays. Christmas is a time for people to think of their families and friends, as well as others they do not know. Many people give food or gifts to those who are less fortunate. People donate toys for children in needy families. Some people volunteer in soup kitchens where the food is handed out to those in need. Did you know some people send special Christmas cards to family and friends? Many of the cards are decorated with beautiful Christmas pictures. Some people put their Christmas cards on display for everyone to see. Giving gifts. Giving and receiving gifts is a popular Christmas tradition. Children often make lists of presents they hope to receive. People also plan what they will make or buy to give to their friends and families. Some people bake cookies and give them to others as gifts. Christmas wrapping paper can need many different colors. Did you know giving Christmas gifts honors the story of the 3 wise men that brought Jesus gifts on the day of his birth? People also give gifts to show kindness and appreciation for others. People wrap Christmas gifts in special Christmas paper and place them under the Christmas tree. Many people give and receive their gifts on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Christmas Eve is the night before Christmas Day. Going to church. Christmas Eve is a special time for many people. People may go to church on Christmas Eve. Churches usually have candlelight services or midnight masses. At church, people think about the birth of Jesus, pray for peace, and give thanks. Most people also sing Christmas songs when they go to church. Before going to church on Christmas Eve, some people decorate their trees and hang their Christmas stockings. Did you know the Church of the Nativity is a church found in Bethlehem, Jerusalem? Many Christians believe that the church was built on the same place where Jesus was born. Santa Claus. Children go to sleep on Christmas Eve and hope that Santa Claus visits during the night. It is believed that Santa Claus, a jolly, chubby man, travels from the North Pole to give children gifts. He puts gifts under the Christmas tree or in Christmas stockings. Different children have different names for Santa Claus. Some people call him Saint Nicholas, others call him Kris Kringle or Father Christmas. Did you know? The name Santa Claus comes from an old Dutch word for Saint Nicholas. Saint Nicholas was one of the first Christian bishops. He was kind to children and generous toward those in need. Santa Claus is known as a jolly man in a red suit with a flowing white beard. Christmas Day. Many people go to church on Christmas Day. Families and friends also eat a special dinner together on this day. People cook plenty of food and invite guests to their homes. Different people eat different traditional foods, but many eat turkey, ham, roast pork, potatoes, cranberries, and more. Did you know? Advent comes right before Christmas. It lasts about 1 month. Some children open a window on an Advent calendar each day until Christmas to see a little holiday picture. Special drinks and foods are enjoyed at Christmas. Christmas drinks include eggnog and apple cider. Most people are very thankful for all the food they have to eat and share with others. Some people say prayers before eating Christmas dinner. They pray to thank God for all they have and for those they love. Many people look forward to joining their families for Christmas fun and food. Around the world. In some parts of the United States and Canada, the weather is cold and snowy on Christmas Day. In some parts of the world, such as Australia, Christmas weather is hot and sunny. People can go to the beach and have barbecues for Christmas. People in many countries have different Christmas traditions. Eastern Orthodox Christians give and receive gifts on January 6th, which is Epiphany. Did you know, in Mexico, Spain, and Argentina, children leave out their shoes at Christmas? They hope that the 3 kings or wise men will fill the shoes with gifts. Epiphany is the 12th and last day of the Christmas season. Epiphany celebrates the day when the 3 wise men first saw Jesus and gave him gifts. These children are enjoying a hot, sunny Christmas. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope to see you next time. Bye!